finally, I'm going to talk a little bit about the quality and regulatory considerations when considering pods and mobility with regard to manufacturing. So, as I said, pods are mostly self-contained, and the autonomy of your pod facility design is something you have to decide up front in terms of really how much dependence you want to have on the host facility. In our case, we chose to make them as autonomous as possible, and when you do that, you really minimize the inputs into your facility from your host location, but you can't eliminate them completely. So you certainly have your non-qualified utilities that need to come into your pod facility. The raw materials and even finished goods storage is typically within your host facility, not within your pod facility. And then, of course, the people change. When you move from location to location, the operators and the staff operating your equipment will be different. So there are variables that you have to consider as you're thinking about your quality system. So each of the things that I just described, whether they're in the host facilities or in the pods, they all are governed by the same quality system. And within our network, the same quality management system exists for all of the operations within our network. So regardless of where you move your pods within your network, the quality system goes with it. And within a pod, you, in addition to physical equipment, you bring with the pod your SOPs, all of your procedures, your batch documentation. So it's not just the physical equipment that moves, it's the entire operation that moves. All of your automation systems also move. So this all goes with your pod as you're moving them from one site to another.